Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make stingray fish curry. Firstly, after cleaning our fish, we are going to marinate it. For the marination, we need a little bit of turmeric and some salt. This time we are going to make our curry a little bit different. Firstly, we need some small onion and one tomato cut in pieces. And some water, and now we are going to blend them. And now proceeding to make our curry. Firstly, add some oil. And some fenugreek seed. Now we are going to add a lot of small onion sliced, and for this, as you can see, we need a lot of fenugreek seed. Mix it together. After our onion have changed into a slightly brown color, now we are going to add our garlic, which has been cut into slices. And add some pounded ginger to it. Mix it together well. And now we are going to add our freshly cleaned curry leaves for a better aroma. And one red chilli and one green chilli sliced in half. Now we are going to add a small amount of turmeric powder. Now for 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of fish curry powder for the thickness of our curry. After mixing them without being scotched, now we are going to add some water. Now we are going to add our onion and our tomato that we blended earlier. Mix it together well. And now for one of the most important ingredient of our dish today, which is lady's finger that has been fried slightly before making our curry. Now we are going to add our second coconut milk. Mix it together. Coconut milk plays an important part of making our curry more thick. Now we are going to add some Asam keping to our dish to give the sour taste. Mix them together. After letting our curry boil, now we are going to add some salt. Meanwhile, our curry is boiling on the other side. Now we are going to fry our fish. Now we are going to add our fried fish into our curry. After adding our fish, now we are going to add our first coconut milk. As the final part of our curry today, now we are going to add some salt. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.